of you. Dear students, in the previous lecture of microtechnique, we discussed about how the tissue can be fixed into the fixative. We also discussed about what is meant by fixation. Fixation means preservation of all or as many as possible cellular and structural elements in their original state. For fixation, we are using different types of fixative. We also focused on what are the qualities of good fixative. Basically, fixative are of two types, that is primary fixative or common fixative, and second one is called as compound fixative. The classical example of primary fixative is ethyl alcohol and formaldehyde. Now we will study the detail about these two fixatives. So here, these are the two types of fixative, that is primary or common fixative, and second one compound fixative. Primary fixative is useful for general laboratory purpose. The examples of primary fixative is ethyl alcohol and formalin. These are the common fixatives. So we will first focus on the ethyl alcohol. Generally, ethyl alcohol can be used in undiluted form or absolute alcohol, that is 100% alcohol. Formula of ethyl alcohol is C2H5OH. So, what are the properties of ethyl alcohol? Ethyl alcohol is light and colorless fluid. It is generally soluble in water in all proportion. The boiling point of ethyl alcohol is 78 degrees centigrade and it solidifies at 112 degrees centigrade. Ethanol is a powerful dehydrating agent. It is manufactured from malt and molasses by the action of yeast by the fermentation process. Generally, ethyl alcohol is not ionized. Its oxidation potential is low. The cell component consists of protein, carbohydrate, fats, lipid, nucleic acid. So, what is the reactions with proteins? Ethyl alcohol coagulates many proteins, but does not coagulate zinc and gliadin. Reaction with nucleic acid. Ethyl alcohol precipitates nucleic acid, but does not coagulate them. Lipids are not chemically changed by ethanol. It can remain as it is. So reactions with carbohydrates. Ethanol precipitates glycogen without fixing it. The rate of penetration of ethyl alcohol is moderate. About osmotic effect. So ethanol shrinks gelatin more strongly. It also shrinks whole liver. By fix the tissue into the ethanol, The tissue hardens extremely more than any other fixative except acetone. There is no special technique is required to remove this fixative from the tissue. That is, for washing, there is no special technique is required. The second fixative is formaldehyde or formalin. Formaldehyde is a natural occurring organic compound. Its standard concentration is 4 aqueous solution. The formula of ethyl alcohol is it consists of 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen, and 1 oxygen molecule. The properties of formaldehyde. It is a colorless gas. It is sold in aqueous solution as formaldehyde. The pH of formalin varies from 3.1 to 4.1. Reactions with proteins. Formaldehyde does not coagulate albumin. Reactions with liquids. Formalin is a good preservative of liquids, including cholesterol and esters. Then reaction with carbohydrates. It does not fix a starch. The rate of penetration of formaldehyde is fast than ethanol. About shrinkage or swelling of tissue, that is osmotic effect. Gelatin and albumin get swelled into the formaldehyde. The volume of liver remains almost same. The tissue hardens strongly without making it brittle. So we will stop here.